Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to Reader's Workshop. We are in our third and final week on Unit 3, or our Changing Constitution. All right, and I'm going to invite you to follow along while I read just a short summary of what we've read or what we've looked at so far in our book. Okay, I'm going to start right up here in the upper left corner. It says the Constitution is the highest law in the United States. All other laws come from the Constitution. It says how the government works. It creates the presidency. It creates the Congress. It creates the Supreme Court. Each state also has a constitution. The constitutions of the states are their highest law for that state. But the United States Constitution is higher. The Constitution can be changed. The Constitution is changed by an amendment. Among the amendments is a list of rights of the people. By listing these rights, they are made special. It is illegal for the government to violate those rights. As of 2006, there are 27 amendments. Not all of them involve rights, but many do. The first 10 amendments are special. They are called the Bill of Rights. Okay, so remember that word amendment. Those are changes to the Constitution. Okay, changes to the Constitution. Right? And amendments offer us the freedom of speech. They offer us the right to vote, the ability to make or be free and make our own decisions. It offers us protection that if we were ever to need to go to court or a trial, that we would have a speedy trial. Okay, so that these amendments are changes to that original Constitution. Now, we saw last week that not all changes are passed. Okay, we read last week about Dred Scott, okay, and how he fought to be he fought for his own freedom against slavery, and he did not win. Okay, and then we read last week about the women's suffragist movement, where they fought for the right to vote, and that is an example of one that they did pass. Okay, so today's article is going to focus on amendments that did not pass. All right, and we're right in our mentor text called Our Changing Constitution. And our story will be here on pages 18 through 21. Right, and our objective today is to read to gather information. Right, we're trying to understand what amendments didn't pass and the details that support those amendments. Right, so you will have a chance here to read through, starting on 18 and going through 21. And don't forget to stop and look at the tables and the pictures. Remember, in a nonfiction piece of work, the tables and the pictures are important. They help paint that picture in your head. And then for our writing work today, we'll have you go back and look at the second paragraph in Amendments That Did Not Pass on page 18. Why did employers like having child workers? Provide 2 details in your answer. Okay, remember that, 2 details in your answer. All right, feel free to underline, highlight, circle words as you read today to get a clear picture of what amendments did not pass. All right, good luck today, and I'll see you in phonics.